how are you, sir? Nimble and nimble and nimble and nimble. See, nimble. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Thank you for having me.
People think that I leave here, but no. We have to keep commuting.
Slice open.
I do this out enough to remind people of our friendship, the good times we've had together, but more so because this was cut out of a mahogany tree that was blown down by Cyclone Winston. So you have your Pams, we have our Winstons. At the end of the day, we're still subjected to all these vagaries of the weather, including cyclones.
Alright.
This is what we've been giving to heads of states and diplomats to remind the world that Fiji is leading the fight against climate change to lessen the effects of cyclones. Now, we have yet to put a plate
Here.
here.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll do it and
Okay.
we'll bring it to you before you do it.
No worries.
So I'm sure you can do back home in the area, including the office,
Right.
or even at home, to remind you of our good times.
Just to tell my grandchildren, keep quiet when I want peace in the house.
Anyway, Hi Commissioner, it comes with our appreciation and gratitude for all that you've done
Thank you.
since you're here. We wish you well, in whatever future endeavor you're going to be involved in.
Thank you.
And say hello to all our friends.
I'll do that, yeah, the Milna and the...
Milna, yeah. Those actors.